Oh, I'm mnemonic. 4 billion sounds. How does that sound? Like, seriously, how does that sound? Fractal Bits is a drum synth with over 4 billion unique sounds created by fractal algorithms. Each set of 12 drums corresponds to a code of 8 figures. Now, this is what is really exciting. You tap this button, and did you see that? I'll do it again. Did you see that? Are you seeing this? New sounds every single time. Over 4 billion. Now, if you really like a sound, you can click lock, and let's say we'll lock this bottom row. Now, whenever I get new sounds, these will stay the same. So you can technically make like your perfect little glitchy drum kit just by doing that. And did you see that? I'll do it again. Did you see that? Are you seeing this? Fractal Bits, this amazing app with over 4 billion sounds constantly generated by the simple push of a button, is only $1.99 in the Play Store and the App Store. So I would say that's a fairly good deal. I was actually going to take some of these sounds, arrange them, and make a sample pack, but it's $2 and it's a lot more fun if you mess with it yourself. Some of the sounds you can hold down and they just keep going. And then there's built-in effects. We have reverb. Let's just crank it up for dramatic effect. Overdrive. And then lo-fi. Nice and crunchy, bitrate reduction. It's fantastic. Now, like I said previously, Fractal Bits in the app only has 12 buttons. 12 sounds that we can use at any moment in time, and I figured that wasn't enough since we have access to over 4 billion, so I'm going to use my Launchpad X, which has 64, and I just love touching pads over a screen like any day. I want to feel the squish, and these are just the best pads in the game, I'm telling you. Finger drummers, step your game up. I finally figured it out. You see this adapter? It didn't like being on this side for some reason. Just watch this light animation though. It's fantastic. Alright, to make this work, all I need to do is go into this settings menu that's kind of hidden by those 3 buttons, then MIDI input. And now you can see Launchpad, but it comes out of channel 1. So I believe it's source 1. Channel any should work. Yes. Woo! That is incredible. Let's get some more sounds. More sounds. Okay, could definitely do that for a long time. I'm gonna make a beat now. Here we go. What's amazing to me about this particular synthesizer app, if that's what you want to call it, is just the inspiration factor. Since it's so random and unpredictable, you'll touch one pad and maybe it does the weird looping thing and it kind of oscillates, and you could make a beat just out of that, or at least that could be inspiration for a beat. I think more of us need inspiration on a daily basis just to stay fresh, to stay pumped up. Another thing you can do is chat with friends. I've been talking with Daniel from Reflekt Audio. I may use some of his plugins for this beat just because he's on my mind, but him and I have developed a pretty good relationship because we're both independent creators and producers and music makers and business owners, and he's helping me on the business side. So Daniel, thank you. I just wanted to say that. We're texting right now. I had to stop texting because the sounds are emitting from my phone in this very moment. Well, not. Now they are. What was I saying? Inspiration. Yeah, music. Here we go. Okay, this first sound, it almost sounds like record static. It almost looks like it too. But then there's those percussive things that I just threw into it, so it's kind of constantly changing and random, which is due in part to the source material. It's just all kind of crazy. Now I want to find like a kick drum snare, some type of nasty, gritty, it's going to be kind of glitchy sounding drum pattern. Okay, even the greatest among us doubt themselves at a time, and with this beat playing, I was not feeling it, and then I found these two sounds. Wait for it. Reverb. Hold up. I want lots of reverb. This is getting weird. Oh, see, now we're cooking. I'm telling you, you can doubt yourself. Go ahead. Why is this here? But if you push through it just a little bit, you'll find the juice, the sauce, the magic, the spark. It's there. It's waiting for you. You just have to. Okay, all this needs right now is some drums. That's happening right now. Alright, guitar is done. I added distortion and then chopped it up in these tiny fractal segments to go along with the fractal bits. I thought it seemed quite appropriate. Alright, 808 is coming in hot from Reflekt Audio Sound Gadgets right here. I doubled that and then changed the preset from the 808 to this. That is the vocal effect pack, and it's just people laughing, and it just sounds haunting and chilling, which is where this beat just really went. Then I doubled the bass sound with a synthesizer, distorted and all up in your ears to sound like this. Now see, that's all I needed, was just a little bit of inspiration from the Fractal Bits. Shout out to the creator of this, Alexander Zolotov. Hopefully I'm saying that right. You did an amazing thing, and I'm gonna play the beat for you right now. Go follow me on Spotify. I got a new song dropping on December 9th. It's about my wife. I made it on her birthday. It's very special, and it's really cool. It's near and dear to my heart. Anyway, here we go. Peace.